So good morning all of you. So what all topics we have covered till now in reasoning? Direction sense test. So we started with direction sense test, then blood relation. Next topic was your non-verbal reasoning. Okay. So in non-verbal reasoning we covered mirror image, water image, then the next figure. Okay. Following the pattern, then counting the number of triangles and squares. Okay. We did few sums with respect to your kind of BODMAS rule also, and then last class what we covered, sequence and series. Okay, देखो here in case of reasoning ना, देखो हर एक टॉपिक क्या होता है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि lesser number of topics variety जाते हैं. So the questions here they come from kind of you can have any pattern here. You have to identify the pattern. That is the main challenge. Okay. So today we'll be starting with your coding decoding. Ab coding decoding is also very kind of interesting topic, and this is any kind of rather easier topic. Coding decoding आपका comparatively क्या है, आपको easy है. So here in this case directly we'll take from the questions. Okay. Yesterday I gave you all that A to Z. Okay now. So you can use that circle. You can use that circle because in many cases you will find that the pattern is that a letter is replaced by 2 letters ahead of it or 3 letters ahead of it, or just the same number from the opposite end. So in all such cases, if you remember the numbering, then definitely it will help you. So we'll take 2-3 questions first. मद्रास, देखो हमेशा एक चीज याद रखना, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग के क्वेश्चन में ना डोंट सॉल्व इट इन द हैंडआउट एंड डेवलप दिस हैबिट. अपना कॉपी में ना कोड लिखो, ऑल ऑफ यू जस्ट राइट द कोड, क्योंकि आई हैव सीन मेनी अ टाइम्स you know the pattern will click when you are writing the code itself. कई बार जो है ना पैटर्न क्लिक करेगा बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स द सेम लेटर्स आर जम्बल्ड एंड ऑल. सो जब आप लिखते हो ना तब वो क्लिक करता है. सो देयरफॉर ऑल ऑफ यू ऑलवेज राइट डाउन द कोड. सो मद्रास इज कोडेड एज NBESBT. Now this is very simple sum. I think you all must be getting that each letter is replaced by a letter ahead of it. So अब आपको M की जगह N, A की जगह B, D की जगह E, R की जगह S, A की जगह B, S की जगह T. So now we know each letter is replaced by just a letter ahead. So now all of you, how is Bombay coded in that language? So Bombay coded in that language. So what will come at the place of B? B will be replaced by C, O, P, M, N, B, C, A, B, Y, Z. So now all of you just solve the second question right now. Just solve it here. Question number second, all of you, what is the answer? Achha, just hold on. How many of you are getting here A? How many of you are getting here B? No. Now in this case, although kabhi bhi na, I was knowing कि in this question most of you will be doing the error. although अभी भी आप लोग क्या होता है ना, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस आपका जा नहीं रहा है. Now here in this case, twinkle is coded as SVHOJKD. It is coded as this one. All of you just see T is replaced by S, W is replaced by V, I is replaced by H. आपने immediately क्या किया? Filters. How filters will be written? So आपने filters की जगह कोड क्या कर दिया? F की जगह E, H, K, and those of you who marked answer option A, most of you got answer option A ना. आपने क्या किया? T की जगह क्या कर दिया? S. Again ध्यान से देखा करो. Still I am asking you all. Here in this case, all of you see, T is replaced by a letter before. W is replaced by a letter before. I is replaced by a letter before. But N, middle letter, N is replaced by O. N is replaced by what? N is replaced by O, a letter ahead of it. Then again, K is replaced by J, a letter before. L is replaced by K, a letter before. E is replaced by D, a letter before. So here the middle letter, middle term, that is the N. N is replaced by a letter ahead of it, and rest of them, they are replaced by letters, alphabet before it. Is it clear or not? So F की जगह E, I की H, L at the place of L, K. But all of you at the place of T, what you will have? U. And then E, D, Q. So answer becomes what? Answer becomes option B. Answer becomes option B. Is this clear or not? I am asking you all again and again कि कभी भी देखो आप लोगों को, you all have noticed also this thing कि the questions which you all seem easy, कि नहीं होता कि yes this question seems to be easy, you all are committing error only in those questions. So you have to just look at the pattern properly. You have to look at the pattern properly. या फिर options में देखो, when options are closed ना, you have to watch it till the end. अगर कई बार क्या होता है कि options close नहीं रहते हैं, many a time the options are not that close. So just you look at the options and then you see that yes, 2-3 letters you are getting from the same option, then you mark it as the answer. But here when the options are in this manner, then definitely you will have to check further. Is it clear to all? No one will shout the answer, all of you just, solve question number 3rd. Now, please be very attentive, okay? And read the question properly. Samta, you cannot be overconfident, okay? Just remember this thing. Good, Sher Singh. So, 3rd question, all of you, done? What answer you all are getting? Option C. All of you getting answer option C? So what is the pattern here? All of you, what is the pattern here? O is replaced by a letter before. P is replaced by a letter before. E is replaced by a letter before. R is replaced by a letter before. Now A is replaced by a letter just after. T is replaced by letter ahead of it. I by J, O by P, N by O. So this is easy. First 4 letters are replaced by just the alphabet which comes before it. And next 5 are replaced by the alphabets which comes ahead of it. Clear? So answer क्या हो गया? All of you, what answer you all are getting? So invisible. So invisible, all of you, what will become the answer? So here H, M, U, H, and S will be replaced by T, and I will be replaced by. So answer becomes option C. Answer becomes option C. Clear ना? कोई confusion नहीं? All of you do one thing, just try till question number 10th or 11th. Try till question number 11th. Try till question number 11. Getting the pattern na? 4th question, acha, 4th question, what answer you all have got? A, B. 4th question, anyone having confusion? किसको किसको confusion है 4th question में? Fourth question, P is replaced by Q, a letter ahead of it. R is replaced by Q, a letter before it. O is replaced by P, a letter ahead of it. D is replaced by C, a letter before it. U is replaced by V, a letter ahead of it. Now अब देखना यहां पे याद रखना, all of you, now C is the middle term ना. अब C is replaced by two letters ahead of it. C is replaced by two letters ahead of it. See, therefore I am asking you all to check the pattern till the end. Again, T is replaced by U, a letter ahead. I is replaced by a letter before. O is replaced by a letter ahead. N is replaced by a letter before it. S is replaced by a letter ahead of it. So remember यहाँ पे जो middle term था, that is C. C is replaced by what? Two letters ahead of it. Is it clear? And rest कैसे है? Alternate है. A letter ahead, a letter before. So आपका आंसर क्या हो गया? The answer becomes option A, because T will be replaced by V. T will be replaced by V. Clear? We discussed till question number 4th now. Question number 5th, all of you, what is the answer? Option D, ERIRNY. All of you getting the same now? No one is having any confusion here? Okay, very good. इसमें पैटर्न क्या है? All of you, what is the pattern here? -13 ना? -13. Okay. So इसीलिए A to Z, just write down A to Z and then you see -13, -13, -13. So R is 18, 18 minus 13. अब देखो ये तो क्वेश्चन इतना इजी है ना कि आप S की जगह F आया. ठीक, तो फॉलोइंग द सेम पैटर्न जैसे यू लुक एट थ्रू आउट. सो R की जगह -13 यू गेट E. L की जगह चेक कर लो, जस्ट यू चेक टू लेटर्स. सो इन टू लेटर नहीं, हमेशा always check 2-3 letters. Why? क्योंकि it's not necessary कि pattern is with respect to first letter only. Pattern can be with respect to last letter. Diagonally also the pattern can be. So इसलिए हमेशा check करो. Is it clear? So check 2-3 places such that the pattern is confirmed. This 6th question, I think this is very easy. Option C. All of you getting option C. I think each letter is replaced by just a letter before and after it. So this is also very simple, very easy. Very good. Question number 7. Just hold on. Question number 7. Anyone getting answer option A? B? C? D? Now here all of you see, this is important. Gold is coded as HOME. COME is coded as DONE. Cod is coded as DOSE. So you have to find out how SONS will be coded. अब देखो यहाँ पे ना, now all of you please be attentive. Okay, देखो G is replaced by H, O remains as it is, L is replaced by M, D is replaced by E. Here C is replaced by D, O remains same, M is replaced by N, E remains same. Okay, C replaced by D, O remains as it is, R replaced by S, D replaced by E. Now here in SONS, देखो first three letters I don't think anyone would be having any confusion कि S will be replaced by T, O will remain as it is, N will be replaced by O. अब यहाँ पे those of you here we are getting two answers, option B and option C. देखो those of you who are getting answer option C, what you all have done, you all have seen कि आपको यहाँ पे second case में E as it is है, first case में replaced by a letter, last letter is replaced by letter ahead of it, second में same, third में ahead of it, so fourth में it has to be same. No, this is not the pattern. You have to get to the more specific pattern. Why we always find कि O ही क्यों हमेशा, यानी कि O always remains same, and when it comes to E, E also remains same. So now tell me, O and E, these two here alphabets, are they different from the other? Yes, because O and E are what? Vowels. Rest are what? Consonants. So out of 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels, rest 21 consonants. So now what we find that vowels remain, O remains as it is. Kyun O? Always O remains as it is. And when it was E, E also remains as it is. Why? Vowel always remains as it is. Consonants are replaced by a letter ahead of it. Is it clear? So now here in this case S, S is your consonant now. So definitely S will be replaced by a letter ahead of it. No, देखो you have to all go for the more specific concept. देखो O हमेशा यहाँ पे ऐसे कोई फिक्स पैटर्न नहीं बना था कि second is fixed, first is changing, third is changing, in some fourth is changing, in some fourth is not changing. So ये कोई definite pattern नहीं ना है. You have to always go for the more definite pattern. नहीं, no, it's not the matter of multiple of 5. It's all about your vowels and all. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. देखो अब इस केस में ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में ना बहुत ही डिफरेंट पैटर्न है, इसमें कोई पोजीशन किसी से मतलब ही नहीं है. नाउ हियर इन दिस केस बॉम्बे इज रिटन एज MY MY MY. So all of you here actually your Bombay, M is the third letter, Y is the sixth letter. M is the third letter, Y is the sixth letter. So what is the code here? Third letter and sixth letter is just repeated. My. So third letter and sixth letter is just repeated. इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है position and all. Just third and sixth. Third and sixth letter is your used in the code. Okay. Tamil Nadu. So now here in this case, now this word it contains how many letters? कितने letters हैं? 9. Now this word it contains how many letters? 9. So now you have third letter, you have sixth letter, as well as you have ninth letter. So now in this case, what will be the code? MNU, MNU, MNU. The code becomes MNU, MNU, MNU. So, is this clear to all now? No confusion now? देखो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, देखो कोडिंग डिकोडिंग में ना कभी कभी क्या होता है, आई एफ सी इनके स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, यस दिस टॉपिक आई कैन इजीली सॉल्व इट ऑन माय ओन, सो दे डोंट प्रैक्टिस. अब सीसैट में पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है, मैथ्स में आई हैव सीन, मैथ्स में स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है दे कैन नॉट सॉल्व, देयरफॉर दे डू नॉट प्रैक्टिस, एंड रीजनिंग में लगता है कि दे कैन इजीली सॉल्व, देयरफॉर दे डू नॉट प्रैक्टिस. देखो यही प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम, व्हाई स्टूडेंट्स आर फेलिंग इन सीसैट, व्हाई स्टूडेंट्स आर फेलिंग इन सीसैट, क्यों 66 मार्क्स हैज बिकम डिफिकल्ट, व्हाई 66 मार्क्स, स्कोरिंग 66 मार्क्स हैज बिकम डिफिकल्ट, व्हाई, द रीजन इज कि मैथ्स लगता हो नहीं पाएगा, रीजनिंग लगता कि हो ही जाएगा, तो करने की क्या जरूरत है. तो ये दिस हैज बिकम द ट्रेंड, देयरफॉर यू लुक एट द हैंडआउट, आई हैव सीन मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, अच्छा कोडिंग डिकोडिंग आज ये तो हो जाएगा, नो नीड टू सॉल्व. And they don't practice the questions. You have to practice the questions, remember. क्योंकि एग्जाम में याद रखना कि आपके पास स्कोप नहीं है कि यू कैन डू इवन अ स्मॉल एरर. You don't have the scope of even doing a small error in the exam. So whether the topic seems to be too easy or difficult or of moderate level, in all the cases you have to properly practice the questions. Don't leave the questions without practicing. Don't leave the questions without practicing. And देखो, these topics best part पता क्या? These topics best part is कि though you may not getting be the answer, कभी answer आए या ना आए, but once I will explain ना, it you all can easily understand. जैसे मैथ्स में क्या होता था कि कई टॉपिक में समझने में दिक्कत आती थी, रीजनिंग में एटलीस्ट दैट इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम हियर. This is yani too old question, not a recent one. This is too old question. Here there are few questions are yani kind of too old. Conventional option, question 9th, what is the answer? C. All of you getting C? Anyone not getting? What is the pattern here? क्या pattern है? So now here all of you देखो, therefore I ask you all to write down, because as soon as you write down now many things gets clear. So देखो, conventional when you will be writing it as NOC, then NEV, then OIT LAN. अब जैसे once you are writing it, the pattern will get clear. आपको क्या लगा कि you are writing the same letters. आप क्या कर रहे हो, the original word, the letter it contains, the letters it contains, you are writing the same letters but in different arrangement. सब इस केस में डायरेक्टली यू सी NOC NEV OIT LAN. So exactly in the same manner, enthronement, so here क्या हो जाएगा, TNEORH. So TNEORH, TNEORH. अब देखो, अब यहां पे ना TNEORH as soon as you do. अब ऑप्शन में TNEORH, only one of the option contains TNEORH. Option C. So now no need to kind of solve it further. Option B, always look at the options as well. Always look at the options as well. So TNEORH, and then if you want further MENTEN, sorry, TNE. Question number 10th, all of you, what is the answer? Option B. All of you getting answer option B. What is the pattern here? क्या pattern क्या? Okay. So now here in this case, all of you, computron is coded as PMOC TUENOR. अब देखो इस therefore अब कभी भी ना ऐसे, now you are kind of writing each and every letter as well as you are dictating also. सब clear है. So PMOC first 4 letters, then TU middle 2 letters, and then ENOR. Okay, so it means the letters of the same word is what? Jumbled. So letters are jumbled here, so advantages. So first 4, AVDA, TN, SEGA. Is it clear to all? So now here this is very simple. So first 4 letters, Okay, they are rearranged. Middle two letters are rearranged, and then the last four. Clear? No confusion now? Question number 11th, all of you. What is the answer? Question number 11th. If contribute is written as ETBUIRNTOC, then which letter will be sixth place when counted from left if popularize is written in the same way? So अब देखो contribute, all of you. Contribute is written as ETBUIR then NTOC. अब देखो यहाँ पे pattern, all of you, is the pattern getting clear? So in this case, what is the pattern? Pattern क्या है? So now अब देखो popularize. So you have to find out sixth letter from the left. अब इसमें देखो आपको BUTE first four था ना, so it is written as ETBU. याद रखना ETBU. It is written in this form. ध्यान से. Okay. So here in this case RISC will be written as what? ESRI. Okay. And then all of you, RI is written as what? IR. So यहाँ पे LA will be written as AL. अब जैसे ही AL you have written. So now do you know the sixth letter from the left? What is the sixth letter from the left? Clear? So no confusion now. ESRI. Clear to all of you now? No confusion? तो ये सब तो नाउ प्यारा क्वेश्चन करना है. All of you solve question number 14, 14, 15. Nineteen, 14, 15, 19. 22. 14, 15, 19, 22. 24. 14, 15, 19, 22, 24. So 14, 15, 14, 15, 19, 22, 24. Abhinav, in question number 8 na, just the in the original codes third and sixth letter, Bombay में third letter क्या था? M, sixth letter Y. So MY, MY, MY. Third and sixth letter was just used as the code. So now the final for Tamil Nadu, there are 9 letters. So third, sixth, and ninth. So third letter M, sixth N, ninth U. So MNU, MNU, MNU. All of you do one thing. Also try question number 25, 28, 29, 30. and 30. Done, all of you? Question number 14, what is the answer? No answer. Given here in this case, rail is written as, or rail is written as KCTN. Speak is written as CGRUM. How avoid be written in that code? तो this question is too difficult, seriously. जो कहते हैं ना real प्यारा question है, but here in this case the pattern is also kind of too different. Pattern भी काफी different है. And now here in this case, all of you, now just look at the terms. Okay, now here rail is written as KCTN. Okay, now in this case again, now ध्यान से देखना. Okay, here in this case all of you just get it carefully. How will avoid be written in that code? So what is the pattern here? क्या pattern आ रहा? All of you, anyone getting any pattern? No pattern. देखो अब इस केस में ना, now here in this case, now here these 4 letters. Okay, A B C. देखो आप इसी से, यानी कि this is 5 letter word, this is 5 letter word, so you can make this one as a kind of base. आप you can make this one as a kind of base. A B C E F G P Q R S T U. And K is replaced by LM. K is replaced by LM. इस केस में भी ध्यान, last letter L is replaced by MN, a letter ahead of it. I, JK, ABC, RST. Is this clear or not? So last letter leave it, and before that diagonally +2 +2 +2. So now here also last letter leave it. Okay, and then I, J, K, O, P, Q, V, W, X, A, B, C, and at the place of D, E, F. So K, Q, X, C, F. K, Q, X, C, F. Huh? Though sometimes you get such kind of एकदम completely different pattern. So whenever you come across such kind of completely different pattern na, so leave it. देखो कभी कभी this is the extreme case, this is the toughest possible question. This is the toughest possible question where last letter you have to leave it, and then the remaining letters, okay, in the same manner. Is this clear now? Fifteenth question, this was very easy. What is the answer? Option D, QG YB. All of you getting option D, QG YB? This question is very easy. This question is very easy. Why? Because I have always asked you all, whenever you read the question, look at the options, and through options ना question इतने simple हो जाते हैं. अब क्या ये देखो, this is the type of question which you are getting in exam. ऐसे question last 2-3 years से every year you are getting such question, यानी कि proper they give you the theory that how the code is formed, and then accordingly You have to find the pattern. In a coding language, the letters of English alphabet are arranged in such a manner that all the vowels are put in the end and remaining letters are arranged from the first letter onwards. The rearranged alphabets are used to denote the position occupied by the letters in the original alphabet. What is the code of the meta? अब देखो, अब ध्यान देना, इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको नॉर्मली क्या होता है, A B C D E F G H I J K like this. Now what is happening? All the vowels जैसे A E I O U they are placed in the end. इनको उठा के आपने end में place कर दिया. And then देखो, A आपका क्या होता है, फर्स्ट लेटर, B आपका सेकेंड, C आपका थर्ड, एंड देन these are placed in the end. And now at the place of A अब आपका क्या आ जाएगा, B, यहां C, D, यहां पे F, G, यहां पे H, यहां पे J, K like this. Is it clear or not? Is this thing clear? यानी it means A की जगह now which letter will be used at the place of A? B. Which letter will be used at the place of B? C. C के place पे D. E के place पे F. Is it clear or not? So अब A का कोड क्या हो गया? A का कोड हो गया B, B कोड C, C कोड D, D कोड F, E कोड G, F कोड H and so on. Is this clear to all of you? So now in this case you have to find out what will be the code for meta. What will be the code for meta? So अब मेटा में ऑल ऑफ यू, अब देखो सबसे सिंपल क्या होता है, सबसे इजी है कोड ए का फाइंड करना ना. व्हाट इज द कोड फॉर ए? बी. अब देखो हमेशा ऑप्शन में देखो. नाउ लुक एट द ऑप्शन. देखो कितना इजी इट बिकम्स. सी हाउ इजी इट बिकम्स. सो द कोड फॉर ए इज बी. चेक करने के लिए ई का कोड, ई की जगह क्या है, जी. इज दिस क्लियर और नॉट? So देखो, always all of you, I'm asking you all again and again, please take the help of the options. Try to use the options always. Next question I asked was question number 19th. What is the answer? A. All of you getting answer option A? Then next question was 22nd. All of you, what is the answer? ये भी easy है. Option B. All of you getting the answer option B. चलो, very good. Next question was 24. So next question number 24. All of you, question number 24, what is the answer? Option B. All of you getting answer option B? Okay. So now all of you just tell me fast what is the pattern here. Mineral is written as Q R S T U V W. Sound is written as A B C S D. So you have to find out how will reader be written in that code. So now all of you, what is the pattern here? अब देखो, अब now all of you, this is now different kind of coding. अब तक आप क्या करते आए थे? Till now you are finding out the pattern. Now you have to find out the code for each letter. Now you get the code for each letter. Is it getting clear or not? It means कि अब आप, what will be the code for M? Q. I का कोड क्या हो गया? R. N का कोड S. Code for E is T. Code for R is U. Code for A is V. Code for L is W. Similarly, code for S is A. Code for O is B. Code for U is C. Code for N is S. Code for D is D. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो नाउ हियर इन दिस केस, अब देखो, अब इस केस में क्या है, अब ध्यान से सुनना, कभी भी whenever 2-3 words are given, now when 2-3 words are given and their codes are given ना, अब उस केस में we don't follow the earlier thing कि आप पैटर्न फाइंड आउट करते हो. Now all of you, what we do, we just find out the code for the given letter. Is it clear? कभी भी याद रखना, whenever 2 or 3 words will be given and then similar kind of question is asked, it means what you have to do now, you have to pick up the code from the given words only. अब आपको ये पैटर्न बेस्ड नहीं है, you have to just select the codes and then you have to use it to answer. Is it clear? So R की जगह, now all of you, what will be the code for R? U E T A V. So U T V. So now as soon as you do, answer becomes option B. देखो ये हिंट है, सबसे बड़ा हिंट क्या है? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इस क्वेश्चन में, इन दिस क्वेश्चन एंड द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, what is the main difference? Here now 2-3 words will be given, so you find out the exact code and then accordingly. अरे अभी पहुंचे हैं. तो डियर हियर इन दिस केस ना डायरेक्टली यू फाइंड आउट, अब m का कोड q हो जाएगा, यानी कि इन एनी ऑफ द वर्ड m will be replaced by q, I will be replaced by r, n will be replaced by s. Is it clear? Similarly s will be replaced by a, o will be replaced by b. So अब रीडर में r के कोड क्या हो गया? What is the code for r? u. What is the code for e? t. What is the code for a? v. So in this manner you find out. So now you get the exact code. Next question was question number 25. See, all of you, this is easy. See, exactly the same manner. All of you solve it exactly the same manner as we have done question number 24 now. Exactly the same way you solve it, you will get answer option C. जैसा 24 था वैसा ही 25 है. So 24 and 25 is same. Next was question number 28. हाँ, question number 28, all of you, what is the answer? Option B, B for Bombay. जिस दिन गुस्सा आया ना उस दिन तुम्हारा सारी बदमाशी तुम्हारी निकल जाएगी, समझे? A to M26. So up now here in this case, A is the first letter, so 1 into 2. M is 13th letter, so 13 into 2, 26. So BET, just you see what will be B. B becomes 4. B becomes 4. E becomes 10 and T becomes, so 4 plus 10 plus 40, it becomes how much? 54. So 28th question is 54. Now question number 29th. हाँ जी 29th. Okay. How many of you are getting answer option A? चलो very good. अब now all of you here in this case, word is given and then the code is given. Word is given and then the code is given. GO equals to 32. Go equals to 32. Then SHE equals to 49. You have to find out the code for sum. SOME. Now all of you here in this case, अब एक चीज ध्यान देना. Generally, whenever the words are replaced by your numbers, okay, that is letters are replaced by digits. So first thing what we do, we try to find out the code for each letter in the form of digit. हर एक letter के लिए क्या code होगा? digit. But here in this case we find कि GO 32, SHE is 49. So अब GO is 32, SHE is 49. अब 3 letter word के लिए we are getting code what 49. It means now in this case अब आपका code क्या है? You have the code for complete word. Now all of you just write down fast position of GOSHE from left hand side as well as right hand side, दोनों साइड से. याद है कल जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों साइड से पोजीशन आई गिव यू ऑल. सो राइट डाउन द पोजीशन ऑफ GOSHE from left hand side as well as right hand side. Just write down fast. So let others also solve. All of you, what is the position of G? G की पोजीशन क्या है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से? 7. O's position is 15. 7 plus 15 we get 22. यहां पे क्या है 32. So it means definitely ये आपको क्या है, this is not the pattern. Now all of you, what is the position of G from the other end? So from the other end position of G is 20. O's position is 12. 20 plus 12, do we get 32? All of you, yes or no? S, what is the position of S from the other end? S, the position of S from the other end. So what is the position of S? S की position क्या है आपको? So now left hand side से 19 है ना. I am asking from the other end, right hand side 8th. H, what is the position of H? So H की position ऐसे क्या है 8th है. So other वैसे आपको क्या हो जाएगी? Now E की position आपको 5th, then it is 22. So 8 plus 19 plus 22. देखो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्रॉस चेक कर रहे हैं. We are just cross checking. So 8 plus 19 plus 22, all of you, you get how much? 27 plus 22, 49. It means yes, this is the pattern. अब आप कंफर्म हो गए. देखो पहले केस में क्या था, G from right hand side is 20, O from right hand side is 12, 20 plus 12 we got 32. So it seemed कि yes, pattern क्या है कि आपको right hand side से position of the letter and then you add it. So you are checking the same thing for the next word. आप next word के लिए भी वही check करते हो. Now you are getting it. So अब SOME. So all of you, S का क्या कोड हो गया? S तो यहाँ पे already we have got ना S8 right hand side. What is the position of O from the right hand side? 12. Here we have already counted here. तुम कहाँ कैलकुलेशन तुम्हारी क्या हो रखी है? Just write down the letters first properly. What is the position of M? 14. From the other end. Position of E already we know 22. So 8 plus 12 plus 14 plus 22. All of you we get how much? 56. Is this question clear or not? अब देखो this is important question. Now this question is important. Is this question clear to all? No confusion to anyone? किसी को कोई confusion? So now all of you, अब याद रखना next time से positioning generally what we do, tendency क्या है, from left hand side only we count the position. No, you check from the right hand side also. You check from the right hand side also. Is it clear or not? So from left hand side you know the position, so right hand side also you know the position. Find out. Next question was question number 30. Question number 30, what is the answer? D, 5229. Here you just find out the code for each. You find out the code for each. So here what you are getting? You are getting 5229. No confusion now. Next question was, देखो अब ऐसा करते हैं ना, Let's solve first few previous year questions, especially last 2-3 years question. Then we will come to other type of question. अब last 2-3 years question है, all of you take it seriously. So all of you solve question number 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 60 to 65. So, and these questions, I want the correct answer from each one of you. Properly solve it, seriously. Good, Abhinav, Jagriti. You all have attempted question number 65 now. Because 65th question is one which you can attempt even without attending any CSAT class. You can attempt that question without attending any CSAT class. Question number 60. What is the answer? Option B or D? So, all of you getting answer option D? All of you getting now? Anyone not getting? No. If you haven't given every alternate letter of the English alphabet from B onwards, including B is written in the lower case and the remaining letters are capitalized. It means letters are written in this manner: A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. Okay, in this manner they are written. Then the question is, how is the first month of the second half of the year written? So first month of the second half of the year, so July option, it means definitely it is talking about July. So aapko now the month of July, ab dekho, now here in this case simply first letter is capital, second is small, third is capital, fourth is small. It means all the letters which are placed at odd position, they will be capital, and all the letters which will be placed at even position, they will be small. Is it clear or not? First, third, fifth, seventh, ninth, 11th, 13th, they will be your capital. Second, fourth, sixth, eighth, 10th, they will be your small. So ab July mein J, what is the position of J? The position of J is 10th. Position of J is 10th. So position of J is 10th. अब देखो यहीं पे confusion है, G H I J. So J will be small. U, what is the position of U? अब देखो इसीलिए याद है, yesterday I asked you all कि few positions you remember. जैसे T, you remember the position of T. T की position क्या है? 20. So if the position of T is 20, then U position will be what? 21. So 21 will be odd position. So odd position will be always capital. Then L, what is the position of L? See, J hai, K, L. What is the position of L? So L will be small. And Y, all of you, what is the position of Y? Y तो यार याद ध्यान ही होगा, सेकेंड लास्ट लेटर है, तो 25th पोजीशन. सो 25th पोजीशन आपको क्या है? ऑड पोजीशन. सो Y विल बी व्हाट? कैपिटल. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? देखो यूपीएससी ABCD रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग. क्लियर? नाउ नो कंफ्यूजन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. फर्स्ट क्लास में आई आस्क्ड यू टू वॉच ऑल द वीडियोस. डिड यू वॉच द वीडियोस? Concept videos did I ask you to watch? Did you watch? Yes or no? So are you following what I am asking you? फर्स्ट क्लास में आई आस्क्ड यू ऑल, तुम बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल ओनली वो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट कहीं भी ना वैसे कॉन्सेप्ट वीडियोस जो बॉडमास रूल भी हैं जिसमें जिसमें 1/2 + 1/3 भी है, हर एक का वीडियो बना के तुम्हारे पोर्टल में पड़ा हुआ है. तुम्हारे लिए आके तुम्हारे मोबाइल में वीडियो ओपन करके तुमको दिखाएंगे नहीं. तुम्हारे ही जैसे लोगों के लिए वो वीडियो बना हुआ है. स्पेशली तुम्हारे क्लास से पहले फर्स्ट क्लास में आई आस्क्ड कि वॉच दोज बेसिक वीडियोस. उसका मतलब क्या है? 19 वीडियोस हैं, नॉट 1 और 2 वीडियोस, देयर आर 19 वीडियोस देयर. और 19 वीडियोस इसीलिए है कि दोज ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव प्रॉब्लम, सो सर अंडरस्टैंड, वी टू अंडरस्टैंड. और मैंने ही वो स्ट्रक्चर पूरा फ्रेम किया है कि हाँ क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. बेसिकली उसमें 2 × 3 = 4 × 5, दीज थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड देयर. वो भी एक्सप्लेन किया गया है उसमें वीडियोस में. But you don't have to do your part. Whatever is asked from you, you don't have to do that. So when I asked in the first class to watch those videos seriously, and I repeated this thing in the first 10 classes at least 10 times. कम से कम 10 times repeat किया था कि watch those videos, watch those videos. On every Friday I used to ask कि 2 days का break है, watch those videos, solve those and go through those NCERT pages. Question number 62. All of you, what is the answer? Option D. All of you getting answer option D? Option B, T. All of you getting answer option B, T. Now in this case given in the English alphabet, the first 4 letters are written in the opposite order and the next 4 letters are written in the opposite order and so on. And at the end Y and Z are interchanged. Which will be the 4th letter to the right of the 13th letter? So now here in this case A, B, C, D. So अब इसका क्या मीनिंग हुआ? First 4 letters are written in opposite order. So A, B, C, D है. So it is written as what? D, C, B, A. E, F, G, H. So E, F, G, H is written as what? Just write down E, F, G, H like this. I, J, K, L. So I, J, K, L is written just in the reverse order. I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P. M, N, O, P. Then Q, R, S, T. Q, R, S, T. In this manner. अब देखो, now here what is asked? Which will be 4th letter to the right of the 13th letter? So in this arrangement, what is the 13th letter? 13th letter, what is the 13th letter? देख 4 में break कर दो. So now here, sorry. So what is the 13th letter? P is the 13th letter. Now if P is the 13th letter, what is 4th letter to the right of P? P के 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4th letter to the right of P. So what will be the answer? T. What will be the answer? T. So 4th letter to the right of the 13th letter. So left hand side say 13th letter is P and then 4th letter to the right of P is what? T. Question number 64, what answer you all are getting? How many of you are getting answer option A? B? C? D? Now all of you Replace the incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence. 3, 2, 7, 4, 13, 10, 21, 18, 31, 28, 43, 40. So now here in this case, just write down the terms 3, 2, 7, 4, 13, 10, 21, 18, 31, 28, 43, 40. Now, given where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern, where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. अब odd terms का meaning क्या है? अब देखो यहाँ पे here it means odd terms means the position. All of you remember here it is saying odd terms, so it means it is talking about the position. So odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. So odd terms, first, third, fifth, seventh, ninth, this is the meaning of what? Odd terms. Okay, so position it is talking. They will follow the pattern. So now all of you, odd terms, it is following what pattern? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 10, 31, 31 plus 12, 43. So now all of you tell me one thing. In this series, 3, 7, 13, 21, 31, 43, now the terms, are they following a fixed pattern? All of you, yes or no? They are following a fixed pattern. Okay. Now, even terms 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. So now all of you, now see here, देखो 12 है, 10 है, 8 है, 6 है, and then here you have 2. Then here you have 2. What is clearly mentioned here? That the odd terms and the even terms, they follow the same pattern. So all of you, यहाँ पे 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So यहाँ पे भी 2, 6, 8, 10, 12 है. So now in this case, all of you, so instead of 2, you must have what? 4. अब देखो एक चीज, now all of you, if you remember in yesterday's class, I told you all so many times that if any term will be wrong, it will disturb the pattern on its left hand side as well as right hand side. Left hand side as well as right hand side. देखो, those of you who are getting answer option D6 na, those of you who are getting answer option D6, now here in this case it means according to you all 4 is wrong, and at the place of 4 you must have 6. So now in this case, all of you just keep one thing in mind, that if 4 would have been wrong term now, then 4 would have disturbed the pattern on this side also. But on this side, is it forming the pattern or not? 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. It means your 4 is not the wrong term. All of you, what is the wrong term? Wrong term here is 2. And 2 must be replaced by what? 2 must be replaced by 0. 2 must be replaced by 0 because here the difference has to be 4. Here the difference has to be 4. So 4 minus 4, yani here at the place of 2 you must have which term? You must have 0. You must have 0. Is this clear or not? So it means what is the wrong term? 2 is the wrong term, and 2 must be replaced by, 2 must be replaced by what? 2 must be replaced by 0. Is this clear to all of you? So all of you, please remember, देखो, as I said yesterday ना, UPSC अब क्या कर रहा है? It is not only asking you to find the wrong term, it is also asking you to replace the wrong term by the correct term. So here in this case, 2 must be replaced. 2 must be replaced by what? 0. And please keep this thing in your mind forever and ever, that if any term will be wrong, then it will disturb the pattern on its right hand side as well as left hand side if the pattern is with respect to difference. And here in this case, since here the pattern is absolutely followed, then 4 is not the wrong term. 4 is not the wrong term. तो कभी भी अगर 6 आ रहा ना, तो all of you see think 2 plus 4 you will do 6, then it will become 6 plus 4 10, and then 10 plus 8 18 and all. So how 6 can be the answer? How 6 can be the answer? Now question number 65. Question number 65, anyone getting answer? Option A? A, okay. B? C? D? Okay. now अब एक चीज याद रखना, all of you before exam ना ABCD जरूर देख के जाना. नहीं, small and caps, because every year UPSC is asking. Every year UPSC is asking the question. Okay, it is involving. देखो ये last question one you have seen ABCD J U L Y July also. So now here in this case, images of consonants of the English alphabet capitals are observed in a mirror. What is the number of images of these which do not look like their original shapes? Now it is talking about images of consonants. So remember, it is talking about images of consonants, not all the alphabets. So there are total 26 alphabets. So out of 26 alphabets, 5 A, E, I, O, U are what? Vowels. Remaining 21 are consonants. Remaining 21 are consonants. So now, all of you just write down A to Z in capital letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. अब देखो now, what is the most common error here? अब यहाँ पे ध्यान देना, सबसे एक common error क्या है ना? I've seen many students they write Y like this. Many students they write Y like this, capital letter में. All of you, I've seen many students they write Y in this form. Remember, this is not the standard form. This is not the standard form. Standard form is this one. Therefore, I am asking you all, देख के जाना. Okay, because such that you don't commit such error. You don't commit such error. So capital as well as small. Okay. How it is actually written, जो standard form है. Therefore, I have seen different students they get different answers. First A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So all of you, A, E, I, O, U leave. Now 21 consonants are there. Now let's see how many consonants will look exactly same in the mirror. How many consonants will look exactly same in the mirror? B, will it look same? C, D, F, G, H, just this is J, K, L, M, N, P, Q. Those of you are getting yes tail, look at the tail. Okay, so mirror image में tail will come on the left hand side. It will not be exactly same. R, S, T, V, W, X, Y. So now all of you, how many you are getting same? 7 are same. So out of 21 consonants, 7 look exactly same. Then how many of them they do not look exactly same? 21 minus 7, that is 14. तो ये सबसे कॉमन एरर है. Y is one of the most common error. हाँ Q भी है Y and then Q, Y and then Q, these are the two common errors. In question number 62, all of you, what was the pattern? Just give me the hint, what was the pattern here? Anyone? Question number 62. So, so here, so you are starting from where? So L hai, L is all of you, which letter? So L will be replaced by O, because L is what? 12th letter. So from left, so it will be replaced by 12th letter from right. So yes, Vardhan, just look at this. U, just look at the position of U from the left hand side, replace it by the same position from the other end. Yes. Now all of you come to the next topic, that is coded inequality. Now this is very different topic and this is completely new. And this concept is very confusing. तो ये concept काफी confusing है. Question number 51 onwards. Now all of you first try to understand the concept here. If suppose given A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D. If given A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D, then all of you here in this case directly you can say कि A will be equal to C also, A will be equal to D also. अब देखो आप ध्यान देना. Now here in this case please be attentive. Now if given A is equal to B, B is less than C. A is equal to B and B is less than C. So all of you, A is equal to B, B is less than C. Then all of you here in this case, can we say A will be less than C? Now in this case we can definitely say A will be what? Less than C. Is it clear or not? Ki A equal to B and B is less than C, and since A is equal to B, A will be also less than C. Now similarly remember, if A is less than B, B is less than C, A is less than B, B is less than C, then all of you in this case A is less than B, B is less than C, can we say A will be less than C? All of you, yes or no? Can we say A will be less than C? Yes, definitely we can say A will be less than C. No confusion in this regard. A is less than B, B is less than or equal to C. A is less than B and B is less than or equal to C. So here A is less than B, B is less than or equal to C. So all of you, what will be the relation between A and C? अब ध्यान से. Relation will be what? A will be less than C. अब ध्यान दें. Remember, A will be less than C. A will be not less than or equal to C. A will be less than C. Next, given A is less than B and B is greater than C. A is less than B, B is greater than C. Now tell me one thing. Between A and C, can we establish any relation? All of you, yes or no? Between A and C, can we establish any relation? No. So here in this case, A and C, we cannot establish any relation. Always keep this thing in mind. Always keep this thing in mind that between A and C, we cannot establish any relation. Clear? So always remember, whenever you know a series is given, then you can establish relation only when same kind of symbol is followed. When opposite symbols are followed, like A is less than B, B is greater than C, then definitely you cannot establish any relation between A and C. Is it clear? यहाँ पे A less than B, B less than C, you can easily say A less than C. A equals to B, B less than C, you can say A is less than C. A is less than B, B is less than or equal to C, definitely you can say A will be less than C. A will be less than C. Is it clear to all? So now here in this case, all of you remember, if same kind of symbol is followed, okay, throughout, then you can establish relation between the variables which are not directly related also. Now अब ध्यान देना, in the given questions below, certain symbols are used with the following meaning. $Q means P is neither equal to nor smaller than Q. अब देखो, अब ध्यान से, $Q means P is neither equal to nor smaller than Q. It means $Q means what? P is greater than Q. P is greater than Q. Is it clear or not? P copyright Q. देखो, P copyright Q means what? P is not smaller than Q. If P is not smaller than Q, then P can be what? P can be greater than or equal to Q. P can be greater than or equal to Q. P asterisk sign Q means what? P is neither greater than nor smaller than Q. It means P will be what? Equal to Q. P will be equal to Q. And P hashtag Q. P hashtag Q means what? P is neither greater than nor equal to Q. It means P is lesser than Q. P is lesser than Q. P at the rate Q means what? P is not greater than Q. So P will be what? P will be less than or equal to Q. ये clear है? So this is the meaning of each symbol. So पहले क्या करो? Symbol you express it. So coded inequality, all of you, this is little different topic. Okay. Up. Give answer A only if conclusion 1 is true. Give B if only conclusion 2 is true. C if either conclusion first or second is true. D if neither conclusion first nor second is true. E if both conclusions 1 and 2 are true. अब ध्यान से, first is M hashtag K. K asterisk sign D. D at the rate P. D at the rate P. Now all of you, अब देखो M hashtag K means what? अब ध्यान से, M hashtag K means, M hashtag K कहां है? M is less than K. M is less than K. M hashtag K. Hashtag K का क्या मीनिंग है? M will be less than. Is this clear or not? याद रखना, hashtag means what? Neither greater than or equal to. It means less than. K asterisk sign D. K asterisk sign D means what? K is equal to D. अब यहीं पे डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं K is equal to D. All of you, yes or no? K is equal to D. Is it clear till now? No confusion? Now D at the rate P. All of you, D at the rate P. D at the rate P will be what? D is less than or equal to. D will be less than or equal to P. D is less than or equal to P. Is it clear to all of you? So now we have expressed it in this form. ये expression clear है? Now conclusion, all of you, we have to check the conclusion first. क्या है? M at the rate P. M at the rate P means what? M is less than or equal to P. All of you tell me. M less than or equal to P. Will it be correct? So अब याद रखना है. M less than K है. K is equal to D. D less than or equal to P. It means M will be what? Less than P. M will be less than P. It means conclusion first will be what? Wrong. First conclusion is wrong. Is it clear or not? M asterisk sign P. M asterisk sign P means what? M is equal to P. So all of you, M is equal to P. Is this correct? No, we know M is what? Less than P. So आपको first as well as second both are wrong. So what will be the answer? Option D, if neither conclusion first nor second is true. Neither conclusion first nor second is true. Is it clear to all? Question number 51st clear? No confusion? Question number 52nd. Now all of you try question number 52nd. Now those of you who still have problem, basic concept में problem है, right on day 1 of the class I asked you all just to go through few videos and all. Second thing I asked you all that देखो in class I cannot discuss all the things. Apart from class you can ask me, because class में definitely I cannot kind of your teach such basic things which you do not understand. So for that only videos are there. Apart from class you can ask me, before class, after class, but during the class, okay, few things will be not entertained. And do go through those videos, conceptual videos, एकदम basic concept जितने भी होते हैं ना, 2 + 3 5, x plus y equals to 7, x plus y 2y equals to 9, such things are also solved there. So जितने भी confusion है clear कर लो. Question number 52 done all of you? What answer you all are getting? Option E. All of you getting answer option E? W copyright T means what? W is greater than or equal to T. Express karo in the same. $M. $M means T is greater than M. B hashtag M. अब देखो B hashtag M means what? B is less than M. अब देखो B is less than M means what? M is greater than B. So M is greater than B. So greater than B. अब यहीं पे कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, B less than M दिया तो M greater than B ही ना होगा. So just express it in this form. Now first conclusion, $B. $B means what? First conclusion check, $B. W is greater than B, all of you. Will W be greater than B? Yes, ये तो clearly visible है, greater than or equal to, greater. So what will be the conclusion? W will be greater than B. W greater than B. Yes, definitely it will follow. W is greater than or equal to T. T is greater than M. M is greater than B. Is it clear? So definitely this one will follow. W greater than B. Second, M hashtag W. M hashtag W means what? M is less than W. Now all of you tell me, if W will be greater than M, it means definitely M will be what? Less than W. Is this clear or not? Clear to all of you? Now in this topic no confusion ना. देखो अब इसमें कोई confusion मत रखना, because this is kind of we are getting the question from these topics यानी कि lately. So this concept is clear now. So you have to just look at the kind of here direction of the symbols. You can just look at the direction of the symbols. So in same direction you can easily conclude. Now all of you, just last type of questions in this coding. So this one is very simple. Question number 34. If white is called blue, blue is called red. 53. $53 ना. देखो 53 Z at the rate R means what? Z at the rate R means Z is less than or equal to R. R copyright D means R is greater than or equal to D. D hashtag T. So D hashtag T means D is less than T. And now here in this case, conclusion first is D hashtag Z. D hashtag Z means D is less than Z. अब देखो all of you, Z and D में can you conclude anything? No. Opposite direction में symbols and no conclusion. Second, Z hashtag T. So all of you, Z hashtag T, that is Z is less than T. Again between Z and T, can you conclude anything? No. कभी भी याद रखना, opposite direction में symbols, if you are getting in middle, then no conclusion you can draw. No conclusion you can draw. Is it clear? So first and second both are wrong. Question number 34. Question number 34 here. White is called blue, blue is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called black, black is called violet, violet is called orange. What would be the color of human blood? So color of human blood, red is called yellow. So what will be the color of human blood? Yellow. Okay. Now all of you here, just try question number 38. Try question number 38 fast. Now all of you remember here. Now in this case what we have to do, you have to just look. Cold tip mot means singing is appreciable. Singing is appreciable. Mot baz min means dancing is good. टॉप निप बाज, टॉप निप नहीं, टॉप नॉप बाज means singing and dancing, singing and dancing. So now all of you, which of the following means good in that code language? अब देखो, अब इस केस में आप क्या करोगे? नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू रिमेंबर वन थिंग, यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द कॉमन वर्ड एंड द कॉमन कोड. जैसे फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में, ऑल ऑफ यू, इन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड व्हाट इज कॉमन? मॉट मॉट, mot mot is common, and in code all of you what is common? Is. So it means definitely you can say mot, code will be what? Is. First and third, all of you, first and third what is common? Tip, tip tip common, and all of you what is common? Singing singing common, all of you. Second and third what is common? Baj baj common here, dancing dancing common. देखो, now all of you what you have to find out? You have to find out the code for good. अब देखो, mot code you know, baj code you know, so what is remaining? Min. So min is remaining, so min will become the code for good. Min will become code for good. Is it clear? देखो, these are the simple type of questions where you just find out the common word and you find out the common code. Find out the common word and you find out the common code. Okay, so all of you, see you all tomorrow then.